This video explores the Supreme Court case De Leon versus PLDT, decided in 2021. It examines critical legal questions regarding corporate redemption and constitutional nationality requirements for public utility corporations. The case involves petitioner Edgardo C. De Leon, a minority stockholder of PLDT. The respondent is the Philippine Long-Distance Telephone Company, the country's largest integrated telecommunications provider, organized as a public utility corporation. Under Presidential Decree 217 from 1973, telephone subscribers were required to invest in preferred stocks to support utility expansion. These subscriber investment plan shares were cumulative, convertible, and crucially, redeemable at PLDT's option. A turning point arrived with the 2011 Gamboa versus Tevez ruling, which redefined, quote, capital under the Constitution to refer strictly to voting shares. To comply with the 60% Filipino ownership rule, PLDT restructured its capital and introduced new voting preferred stocks. Following this, PLDT's board authorized the redemption of all outstanding SIP preferred shares, effective January 19, 2012. Over 403 million shares were subsequently redeemed and retired, while some holders converted theirs into common shares. Petitioner De Leon challenged this move, alleging a violation of PD 217 and claiming the creation of voting shares was a maneuver to bypass ownership rules. PLDT moved to dismiss, arguing the suit was a nuisance based on the petitioner's negligible interest. The court characterized the action as a nuisance suit, with the plaintiffs holding only 360 shares out of 403 million redeemed. Their interest was deemed, quote, de minimis, or insufficient to support claims of this nature. On the issue of redemption validity, the court found that the right to redeem was a binding contractual agreement printed on the stock certificates. Furthermore, it noted that corporations have an inherent right to repurchase shares unless expressly prohibited by law. Regarding constitutional compliance, the court affirmed that nationality requirements apply specifically to voting stocks. Therefore, the redemption of non-voting SIP shares did not impact the required 60/40 ratio of control. In his ruling, Justice Marvick Leonin stated, "Unless expressly prohibited by some other law, a public utility corporation may issue and repurchase redeemable shares upon the expiration of a fixed period." To summarize the findings, the court dismissed the case as a nuisance suit, ruled that the redemption was permitted under the decree, and confirmed that nationality standards focus on voting control. In conclusion, the Supreme Court affirmed that corporate redemption is a valid contractual right, and that constitutional nationality rules primarily focus on effective voting control. Thank you for watching. This video utilized various image sources, including files from PNG Tree, Wikimedia Commons, iStock Photo, and Vecteezy, to illustrate the case details.